Right guys, so you probably saw me doing the case first. The fans weren't in the case, so I wanted to put them in before moving on to this. But we're going to move on to getting the motherboard prepared to get everything on. So let's do it.
Hello.
Hi. My first scary bit was I was like, oh yeah, it's got the brackets on for the CPU cooler already.
Yeah.
I don't know. I got to that, and I was like, how the because it's a different one, a different cooler to in mine.
Oh.
I was like, and I got around it, and I was like, oh. As you can see, it is very messy because I want to check the headers actually work first. We have light on the motherboard, which is a good sign.
Yeah.
I'm going to say it's not in the right plug. Okay guys, I'm probably very close to the camera at this point. Thank you for watching this build. I know it looks like I'm very stupid at building a computer, but it was the first time I'm building a computer fully from scratch. I was nervous at points, especially because I was worried about compatibility, even though I've done the research beforehand and about the CPU cooler on. But it all went to plan, it's all working. Just finished off the OS install and then we'll be there. And it's all good. But thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment in the comment box. That's of course what it's for. Thank you for that. And yes, the comment box, you'll probably be like, oh you should be building computers and all that. I feel fine doing it. It is one of those nerve-wracking things because it's not for me, it's for someone else. So you know, it's one of those things. But thank you for watching and I will see you in another video.